Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will be showing you how to make snake gourd curry. But before that, we just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who subscribed to our channel. We are now at just over 100 subscribers, so thank you all for your support. And we hope you enjoyed the videos. So, for today's recipe, snake gourd curry, the ingredients are displayed on the screen. The ingredients needed for this recipe have already been prepared and displayed around the snake gourd. We have already cut the tomatoes, onions, chilies, and peeled the garlic. The seasoning is also displayed around the snake gourd. The first step of this recipe is to slice the snake gourd into your preferred slices. You can either go for large or small depending on your preference. We went for an in-between slice because we don't like our chunks to be too large or too thin. Snake gourd is actually a very healthy vegetable to give to children, and it's very popular in Sri Lanka, especially within the remote and rural areas of Sri Lanka, and tends to be consumed more among villagers. Not only is it good for children, it's also good for consumption by pregnant women. My mother tends to cook this back home around 2 to 3 times a week because it's very popular within our family, among our family members and relatives. Now that we have finished cutting and preparing the ingredients, we will be placing them into the pan ready to cook. Here I am just placing the snake gourd into the pan along with tomatoes, onions, chilies and garlic. We will also add some fenugreek seeds, which is a very healthy option for hair growth and healthy nails and bones. So now we're going to add some salt. You can do this depending on your preference. And then we will go in with some turmeric just to give it a lift of colour, and some chili flakes to lift the spice. Now after adding the chili flakes, we're just going to add some curry powder, pepper powder and some double cream. And also some water just to make sure that it's not too thick. You can use coconut milk if you do not have double cream. And then just add 1 tablespoon of oil. Not too much, just 1 tablespoon should be fine. Once you have added all of these ingredients to the pan, you just give it a really good mix before we go in with our curry leaves. Curry leaves are another ingredient that is really good for your health. It's quite difficult to find here in the UK, so if you have it, you can add it. If not, it's fine to cook without. After you've done adding the curry leaves, you just switch on the stove and place the pan on the stove on a medium heat and allow the ingredients to cook. Whilst that cooks, we're just going to take a look around the garden and water some of the plants. Once the snake gourd has cooked halfway, you just take off the lid and add some more double cream and give it a mix. You don't place the lid back on afterwards because you want to avoid from the snake gourd overcooking. As you can see here, the colour of the curry is very vibrant. If we were to place the lid back on it would lose its vibrance and become very dull. So to avoid that, we keep the lid off. Here I'm just checking to see if we needed more salt, and I felt that we did, so here I'm adding some more salt. I'm just testing here to see if the snake gourd is cooked properly. As you can see, it's become very soft and it's not too overcooked as well. Once the snake gourd gains that texture, it's safe to take it off the stove and ready to serve. You can serve the snake gourd with rice and other curries as well. As you can see, this texture is very soft and it has a very chewy texture in your mouth as well. And it's a very healthy dish. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe on how to make snake gourd curry. We would love to see your creations too, so do feel free to message us your pictures and creations on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to keep up to date with our videos. Thank you for watching Ceylon Food UK, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. All the details will be in the description box below. Thank you.